Do you operate the system? Yes, I operate the system. No, I don't operate the system. Does he operate the system? Yes, he operates the system. No, he doesn't operate the system. Are you operating the system? Yes, I am operating the system. No, I am not operating the system. Is he operating the system? Yes, he is operating the system. No, he is not operating the system. Have you operated the system? Yes, I have operated the system. No, I have not operated the system. Has he operated the system? Yes, he has operated the system. No, he has not operated the system. Have you been operating the system since morning? Yes, I have been operating the system since morning. No, I have not been operating the system since morning. Has he been operating the system since morning? Yes, I have been operating the system since morning. Did you operate the system? Yes, I operated the system. No, I didn't operate the system. And did he operate the system? Yes, he operated the system. No, he didn't operate the system. Were you operating the system? Yes, I was operating the system. No, I was not operating the system. Was he operating the system? Yes, he was operating the system. No, he was not operating the system. Had you operated the system? Yes, I had operated the system. No, I had not operated the system. Had he operated the system? Yes, he had operated the system. No, he had not operated the system. And had you been operating the system for 2 hours? Yes, I had been operating the system for 2 hours. No, I had not been operating the system for 2 hours. Had he been operating the system since morning? Yes, he had been operating the system since morning. No, he had not been operating the system since morning. Will you operate the system? Yes, I will operate the system. No, I will not operate the system. Will he operate the system? Yes, he will operate the system. No, he will not operate the system. Will you be operating the system? Yes, I will be operating the system. No, I will not be operating the system. Will he be operating the system? Yes, he will be operating the system. No, he will not be operating the system. Will you have operated the system? Yes, I will have operated the system. No, I will not have operated the system. Will he have been operated the system? Yes, he will have operated the system. No, he will not have operated the system.